So for our ingredients, we will be needing 1.5 kilograms of chicken. These are chicken legs and chicken thighs, 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, 15 grams of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, half of a medium-sized onion chopped, oil, I'm using sunflower oil here, and 500 ml of light beer. So let's get started. So what I do, I will just pour and mix in all together the flour, salt, and pepper in a plastic. Mix everything well. I will coat the chicken one by one by putting inside. And then shake, shake, shake. In this way kasi, you are coating the chicken evenly and then less kalat na rin. See? I will just continue with the rest of the chicken. And we're down to the last chicken. There. Look how perfectly coated our chicken is. Diba? So once our chicken are all coated, we have to fry it a little bit just until it turns out golden brown. Okay, we have to pour in our oil. So we have to put our chicken once it's already hot enough. After frying the chicken, we have to remove and change the oil. Now I'm using olive oil. Add the onion. And saute until it turns out transparent. So now we have to simmer it. We have to wait until the alcohol evaporates. So once the alcohol has evaporated, we can now turn off the heat, and I will just be adding some rosemary, which I freshly picked downstairs. So if you doesn't have a pan like this na pwedeng ilagay sa oven, you have to transfer everything in an oven tray. But for me, since pwede ko naman siyang ilagay sa oven, I will just remove the holder. And then I can now directly put this inside the oven.